everyone, welcome to Debugger's Den, and Debugger's Den is back with some of the awesome job and internship opportunities. So let's get started with the video. First opportunity is from the Salesforce. They have opened the application for the intern role in software engineering. Basically, they want an intern for the software engineering role and they are hiring for the position of intern. The location you can apply for are the Hyderabad and Bangalore. Now coming on to the eligibility criteria of the seat. So if you are a 2022 grad, then you can apply for this position and some of the rules and responsibilities are given here. So these are the responsibilities that you need to focus on and you can read about them from the link given into the description box. Talking about the eligibility criteria, so you should be enrolled in any of the college university course for the graduation. Also, the graduation should be in the BE or BTech in computer science. So your branch should be computer science. It is a must. Some of the required skills are more given and some of the desired skills are also given. So based on these, you can choose whether you want to apply for this position or not. The desired skills are not much higher. They basically want someone who is good for their basics in OOPS, DBMS, C++, Python, or the language they code in. So you can easily apply for this position and this can be a great opportunity for 2022 grad. So if you want to apply for this, then click on the link given into the description box and click on this apply button here. And after going on to this apply button, you'll get a form and you can fill that form to complete the process. I hope the things about this Salesforce is clear to you. If not, then you can ask them in the comment section below. So let's move on to the second hiring, which is from Google. Moving on to our next opportunity. Next opportunity is from the Google. Google is hiring for the customer engineer infrastructure modernization specialist, Google Cloud. So they are hiring for the office Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, and there are some of the minimum qualification for which you need to focus on. So you should be having a bachelor's degree in computer science and you should be having experience in the field they are hiring for the. There are some of the more experience they want, that is cloud migration, data center migration, disaster recovery, virtualization, and so on. So you can look on these and if you have the experience in any of these, then you can apply for this job. There are some of the preferred qualifications as well, like master degree in computer science or any other technical field, experience as an IT infrastructure consultant. So if you have any additional qualification, then must apply for this job. There's some of the responsibilities given that you need to handle if you get this job. So you can look on this also and based on your preference, you can apply for this job. So you can apply for this also. Now moving ahead. The next opportunity is from the Futures First Python developer intern position. So Futures First are hiring for the Python developer intern position. And the location for the same is Bangalore, India. Now they have given some position summary, so you can look on that. And basically they want a Python developer, so you can guess that they want a one who is skilled in the Python. The job profile is as follows. So they want a person with good knowledge of Python, which is focused on the data science, data manipulation, analytics, etc. You should be having hands-on. You should be having the knowledge of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Plotly Dash, etc. You should be also having the knowledge of HTML, CSS, and so on. And if you have some of the previous experience of working with OHLC market data is preferred. So if this is not mandatory, but if you have this, then you will be having the preference over here. Now, what are their requirements in the terms of education qualifications? So they want someone with a strong academic. So make sure your CGPAs are also up to the mark. The educational streams they preferred are commerce, finance, economics, mathematics, statics, and engineering. They don't want any prior work experience from you. So if you're a fresher, then you can definitely apply for this. Just they want is a strong skill sets in terms of Python, in terms of fields they are given below. So if you get this job, then your designation will be Python developer intern. As I have told us, the internship duration will be of 6 months, and if you perform well on this internship, then you can also get the PPO offer, that is a pre-placement offer. The internship will start from the January 2022 in the Bangalore. So if you're interested, then you can apply for this position from the link given into the description box, and from the link you can click on this apply now button and you can apply for this job. So I hope the things about this opportunity is also clear to you. Now let's move on to our next opportunity, which is from the Acolyte. Moving on to the next opportunity is from the Acolyte. Acolyte is conducting their off-campus drive for 2022 batch. So they are hiring for the software developer engineer. The application deadline is 3rd of January 2022. Now the hiring model will be as follows. That is, first of all, you have to do a 6-month internship, which will start from the January or February of 2022, and then it will be followed by FT position. The year of passing should be 2022. So if you're a 2022 grad, then you can apply for this position. The percentage criteria is also low. So if you don't have good academics, then that won't matter. So if you have a 60% or 6 CGPA, then you can apply this for this position. Now the job location will be for the Mumbai, and now coming to their hiring position. So there will be 3 steps. First will be Acolyte qualified test, which will be having MCQs and coding round. Step 2, you will be having 2 technical rounds and 1 HR round. In the third, you will be having your offer letter in your hand. So this will be the hiring position. If you want in-depth video for this, then you can let us know into the comment section below. We'll come with that. Moving on to the degrees that are eligible for are the BTech, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, and they can be from any university or college. Technical skills they want are JavaScript, HTML, CSS, SQL, OOPS, TSLGO, and your core programming language. They have also given the job description. You can read about this from the link given into the description box. They have also given the responsibilities. You can read about them. Now you can apply for this position from the link given into the description box below. So this is the form you need to fill for applying for this position. So go and grab this opportunity by clicking on the link given into the description box. Coming on to our next opportunity. The last opportunity is from the Cognizant. Cognizant is hiring for the graduate trainee from the batch 2019, 20, and 2021. So if you are from any of this batch, then you can apply for this position. Remember, the application deadline is 31st December 2021, 11 p.m. You must apply before this application deadline. The CTC offered will be 2,52,000 per annum, which have also given their job description. Again, you can read about this on the link given into the description box. And if you're interested, then you can apply for this position from this application apply now button. So I hope these things are useful to you, and now we'll end this video here only. But before ending this video, please do consider subscribing us. Please do subscribe us, like our videos, and if you have any queries and if you want any video, any dedicated video on any topic, then do let us know in the comment section below. We'll definitely come with them. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.